How to turn off the age restriction on Twitter, now known as X. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you'd like to turn off the age restriction, here is what you should do. First of all, make sure that you have entered the correct age on Twitter. In order to change the birth date, here is what you should do. Head over to your application, go to the profile and tap on Edit Profile. Tap on Birth Date option. Make sure that it can be changed only few times. Tap on Continue. Change on the birth date, month, day and year, and then tap on Continue to save the new birth date. Once this is done, let's head over to another setting. For this, you will have to go to any of your preferred browser and log into x.com from there. Once that is done, tap on the profile again. Once you tap on profile, you will see different options. Tap on Settings. Once you tap on Settings and Privacy, head over to the option of Privacy and Safety. Under Privacy and Safety, tap on the option Content You See. Make sure the option Display Media that may contain sensitive content is toggled on. This way, you will successfully turn off age restriction on X. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.